Welcome to this tutorial on why use Debank wallet address import. Debank is a popular platform that allows users to manage their cryptocurrency assets in one place. Importing a wallet address into Debank is a straightforward process that offers several benefits. Firstly, importing a wallet address into Debank allows you to track your cryptocurrency balances and transactions in real time. This provides a clear overview of your assets and helps you make informed investment decisions. To import a wallet address, you simply need to navigate to the Debank website, click on the Add Wallet option, and enter your wallet address. Secondly, Debank provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to monitor your portfolio performance. The platform offers a range of tools and features, including price charts, transaction history, and asset allocation analytics. By importing your wallet address, you can access these features and gain a deeper understanding of your cryptocurrency holdings. Another key benefit of importing a wallet address into Debank is the ability to set up price alerts and notifications. This allows you to stay up to date with market movements and receive alerts when the price of a particular asset reaches a certain level. To set up price alerts, simply navigate to the asset page, click on the alert option, and enter your desired price level. In addition to these features, Debank also provides a high level of security and privacy. The platform uses advanced encryption and security protocols to protect user data and ensure that wallet addresses and transaction information remain confidential. This provides peace of mind for users who are concerned about the security of their cryptocurrency assets. Best practices for using Debank wallet address import include regularly reviewing your portfolio performance, setting up price alerts and notifications, and using the platform's analytics tools to inform your investment decisions. It is also important to ensure that your wallet address is correct and up to date, as this will help prevent any errors or discrepancies in your portfolio tracking. In conclusion, importing a wallet address into Debank is a simple and effective way to manage your cryptocurrency assets. The platform provides a range of tools and features that help you track your portfolio performance, set up price alerts, and stay up to date with market movements. By following best practices and using Debank wallet address import, you can take control of your cryptocurrency investments and make informed decisions about your portfolio.